Page 656, number 25. We are to answer the following questions about the sequence 2, 6, 18, 54, and again in the directions like number 20, 21, we know that this is a geometric sequence, but we can find that by looking at how we go from term to term, and we can see each time here we are multiplying by 3, and that would be our R. So the first thing we're asked to find is the common ratio. So in this case, we're asked to find the 3. What are we multiplying to get from term to term? So our R is going to be 3. And in part B, we are asked to find the 8th term. So we're asked to find a sub 8, which again, like number 21, I'll come back to after I find a formula. Part C asks us to find a recursive relationship. And so we're going to use the idea that a sub n is going to equal a sub n minus 1 times R. And then part D, we are asked to find an explicit relationship. And we're going to use the formula a sub n equals a sub 1 times R to the n minus 1. So going back and filling in our recursive relationship, a sub n is going to equal a sub n minus 1 times R3. Or you can write this as 3 times a sub n minus 1. And our explicit relationship is going to be a sub n is going to equal our first term, which is 2, times R to the, which is 3, times 3 to the n minus 1. Now I'm going to use that as I did before to fill in for 8 for n, 2, times 3 to the 8 minus 1. So we get 2 times 3 to the 7th, and that becomes 4,374.